It's possible to make wise use of underground spaces. Today, I'd like to talk about the subsurface. We use a lot of those underground spaces in our lives. We don't have many energy sources in Japan, and so we stockpile energy sources underground. Energy resources are being stockpiled here for the purpose of energy security. Another purpose of the underground is to deal with wastes that are produced by our lifestyle that are difficult to handle. The important point is about the contamination issue. To get rid of something you don't like, you dig a hole. That's what we humans did, historically speaking. In the past, there are a lot of pollutants that have been embedded. There's change from blue to purple to yellow, meaning that the land is subsiding, and this is the place where our iodine and natural gas are produced. The land is subsiding due to these activities. We have nuclear power plants producing energy, and then we have those existing wastes. We have some concepts of waste disposal. One is detoxification, which is probably the best way. When that is not possible, we reduce the volume and then isolate them. A site selection has started in a kind of unfortunate way. Robert Oppenheimer said that the waste problem is unimportant and it's easy to deal with. But 70 years on, and its disposal still cannot take place. The underground or subsurface is related to global issues. One is the water cycle. We have the underground environment to support the water cycle. Climate change can affect the water cycle and the security of water resources. So this is something that we need to address quite seriously. You may think that this is a localized problem, but it always needs to be linked with global problems.